everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you integrate Trello with GitHub. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Trello's workspace. After entering your Trello's workspace, you have to open your board. So as you can see, it's showing on your interface. Now you have to go and open up your power up, and after opening your power up, it will show you an interface like this, as you can see on your screen. Now you have to write GitHub in your search bar, GitHub, and after writing it, you will see GitHub in the right of your screen. Just simply tap on it, and it didn't have option of add, so you have to open settings. For that, click on settings. It will take you to settings. So in the right, you will find the option of GitHub. In the power up, tap on it and then click on attach branch. It will open this for you. Now link your GitHub account, tap on it, and it will start linking your GitHub account with your Trello. So be prepared for that. Now you have to authorize Trello, and it will start authorizing and connecting your Trello with your GitHub. So this is how you can connect your Trello with your GitHub. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can connect your Trello with your GitHub.